Hey guys, Kill King here. Yeah, let's get it. So market analysis on NASDAQ. I'm a little bit sick, but anyway, guys, we're pushing. So to all the new members, welcome. Um, guys, we will be implementing Sunday breakdowns like Sunday market analysis and so forth on. But for now, I'm just gonna be some recording for you guys. I'm working on creating a nice video like me giving you guys class. I'm gonna record everything, pre-record everything, etc. So you guys go well equipped. Welcome to everyone. This is Shaquille King, journey to 100 billion. Those who paid my lifetime mentorship. Gang, we're gonna go through. This is basically the road to 100 billion. Those who is in a subscription, the same thing. Anyway, so let's see this. Let's look at this. Cool. So guys, I just want to show you guys something. So let's take a note. Let's take a brief, long, in-depth look at the zone. So look at the zone, guys. As you guys can see, plain and simple, right? The zone was our support. Our resistance. Sorry. Um, the zone was our resistance, right? Market played around, came back, resistance, right? Broke above, extremely above, right? As we can see, and I played around and played around, right? I just want to highlight these zones for you guys, basically, right? And then here again, the market broke above, came here, tested it as a support, as you guys can see, broke below, right? Broke above again. Now I am anticipating the market is taking this zone again as support, right? And where is the zone, right? The zone is on the daily, right? So at this moment, I am looking at this zone as a significant area, right? I'm looking at this zone as there's a high probability that this zone is actually a supporting zone, right? And as you guys can see, right, this over here was first a bearish trend, right? I'll show you guys. I'm gonna take this analysis nice and calmly with you guys. You know, for those members who don't understand yet or anything like that, I want you guys to go through the Falcon course. The Falcon course is not my strategy, but it's the foundation of my strategy. You know, it's how I got to where I am today. So I want you guys to take a high note on that. So anyway, let's get rid of the zone, right? We at the back of our mind, we treat it as a zone, not as a like, we treat it as a zone and not just as a line. But as for this case scenario, I just want you to focus on this. So as you can see over here again, right? This over here, right, was support, right? Sorry about this. So basically, this was support, right? The market came here, boom, treated it as resistance, right? Boom, and then broke above, right? And now for me, I'm seeing another supporting zone over here. So for me, I am anticipating buys, right? But just because I am anticipating buys does not necessarily mean I'm gonna come take buys right away, right? I first wanna see what the market presents, and then I will make a decision based upon that, you know. So anyway, let's dive a little bit deeper. I wanna just go to the chart, right? So as you guys, I just want to remember this is a zone. So let's go on the 4 hour, right? So on the 4 hour, we had this, right? Remember the previous data that I showed you guys. So we had this, right? This the one touch, two touch. This was a third touch, and we actually sold over here, boom, to get to these levels, right? But I just want to clear my chart. Sorry guys, it's the network that's doing this. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with Chelsea these days. The network and stuff is whack, bro. It's whack. Anyway, so I just want to show you guys something also as well. The moment, look, you guys, if you guys ever see something like this, right? Like we trade within this trend, right? So every time the market came over here, these levels over here, we sold, right? But look at this. The moment the market broke above, right? It broke above that zone, right? The small mini bearish trend, right? It broke above. Look at this retest zone. That's where you could have entered, guys. Like, look, this is a 4 hour chart. You guys could have entered here already, right? Let me show you. That was a plain and simple break above, Would have entered there. Stop loss would have been just below previous candles. And then your 90% rule, we could have been targeting that 90% rule over there, and then boom, it would have been nice 8% profits, like deep in profits, guys. So that's basically all. I trade trends within trades. I don't trade indicators or anything like that. I just trade what I see, and at this moment I see something great. So as you guys can see, we went here one touch, two touch, three touch, third touch, we sold. But now as we can see, something awesome is happening actually at this moment, right? Something very awesome. Just wanna erase this. Sorry. Highlight this zone. Cool. So now that we had this zone, right? We had this nice zone, right? This nice bearish trend, right? Boom. Now it's a break above, right? A break above. This for me is just another retest, right? To go to the upside. That's basically it I'm seeing, guys. I'll show you guys what I mean. So we know that bearish trend got broken, right? But look at this. Look at the 1 hour, right? So this is the same bearish trend, right? And we've established we got some nice horizontal support in the resistance zones over here, right? So let me just highlight it to you. So over here, right, we got a nice triple top with a one touch, two touch, and a third touch, right? Over here we could have sell, right? That's just a beautiful sell, right? Oh, I didn't send the signal or anything like that because I was not on the charts today, right? I just told you guys I'm a little bit sick. You got a nice into that, right? Nice sell. Stop loss as well, just above. And the TB could have been over here, right? Would have been deep in profits, guys. But nonetheless, that's basically all I trade. But now I'm looking for something awesome. So we highlighted the zones over here. Let me just show you. So the market price, we can use this one as well. Remember it's a zone. So the market actually so came here, right? Support, support, right? Clear as day, this area is significant. It's a strong area. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the market to come here, give us some type of candle confirmation to buy. So when the market reaches here, we're looking for buys, right? If we get candlestick confirmation, right? Like my last criteria for entering, I would be looking for low momentum candles here. Like, let me show you what type of candles I'm looking for. Candles like this, as you guys can see from previous data, I will be looking for a candle like this, some nice weak rejections over here. As you can see, weak rejections again over there, right? Yeah, or a doji or anything like that, right? Or bullish engulfing or anything like that. So the moment when the market reaches this zone over here, I'll be looking for some candlesticks over there, right? Boom. That's basically it, guys. That's it. That's all I'm gonna look at NASDAQ from at this moment, right? If NASDAQ doesn't present something like that, then obviously we'll be looking at something else. So I trade what I see, I don't trade what I think I see, right? If the market with this bearish momentum does drop below, then obviously I'm gonna be looking for a retest and we're gonna drop further on. But at this moment, this area over here is an area of significance and it's a break above the bearish trend. So for me, I just see plain and simple break above, come back down to retest, and we're moving back to the upside. That's it, guys. That's all I will be looking at. I don't want to dive too deep into the 15-minute or anything like that, but let's take a look at entries. Let's take a look at entries. I know one of my students is struggling with entries and stuff, but look at this, right? So when the market reaches these levels over here, I will be looking for candles like these, right? Look at this. A nice candle, like I just want to erase it. Look at this. I will be looking for candles like this, indecisive candles, right? You see, it's struggling to the sellers are struggling to push price down, right? And it's pushing price up, right? So if I see candles like this, that's a good setup. Even here, look at this. It's a break above, right? And this is a nice retest, right? And we went all the way to the upside. That's basically all I will be looking for, right? If you guys are struggling with seeing candles like this, there's always trends within trends, patterns within patterns. Always wait for the pattern to be broken out, then you can take some interest. So you can have something like this, right? If you are struggling with taking a risk into anything like that, the moment when price breaks out above this whole pattern, right? Because I want to show you guys something here. Remember this? Let me take this. Remember these, like this? Let's say this is highs, right? Inside like lower highs, right? The moment the market broke the previous lower high, right? We know we are buying. So we would obviously look at this zone over here, right? The moment the market broke out, right? Look at this. Like I don't want to go on the 5 minute, but I just want to show you guys. Look at this beautiful setup. The moment the market broke above like this high, right? You came back to retest, right? There you could have found your entry already there, right? Clear as day. Clear as day. You could have found the entry there for buy setup. Right? And you can see that indecisive candles over there. That's the type of candles you wanna like gives you more confidence that this is a clear as day buy, right? And your stop loss could have just be below all of that indecisive candles, right? And your targets could have be the next zone, right? It's a nice 6% there already. Plain and simple. That's plain and simple. I'm not here to complicate things. I'm not here to give you fancy things and stuff. I trade price action clear as day. There's no fancy things over here, guys. It's plain and simple. I don't want to confuse you guys in the first place, you know? So at this moment, we might get this tonight. We might get this whenever this setup, but guys, there's plenty of opportunities. So you don't need to be a chart junkie and wanting to trade every single second of your life. The best trades for me that I actually caught was the ones when I was calm, patient. I was disciplined. If you guys struggling with psychology and discipline, it's because you guys are thinking about money, profits, and rewards. Forget that. Don't think about that. Think about putting in the work and the effort. So at this moment, I will see so that's what I'm seeing. Move. That's all. That's my setup now. That's all that I will be looking for at this moment. If I don't see something like that, I'll keep you guys updated. If that doesn't appear or approach something like that, then obviously I'll keep you guys posted and updated. But yeah, like I told you guys about entries or anything like that, that's basically what I've been looking for, right? And guys, I just want to let you know if we catch a nice buy, right? If we catch a nice buy, you can swing NASDAQ as well. If this setup is proper, right? Like not proper, if the setup is like respected, right? Because this is a proper setup in the first place. No cap, no cap. But anyway, if the setup is nice and like it's respected, we could swing NASDAQ even, right? So if the market comes here, give us that nice, like indecisive candles, give us a buy opportunity and stuff like that. Obviously, we buying. Don't go full margin, put one position, guys. One position. Don't go full margin. Proper risk management, right? And boom, if the market breaks these levels again, we know we're holding it all the way up, right? If the market breaks these levels here, what? We holding it, we holding it, right? I don't want to confuse you guys with a million levels here, like all the other mentors, but I'll definitely hold this up until here, right? That's if the market breaks here. Obviously, there's more levels to consider, like these levels as I can see already clear as day, etc. etc. But that's how we're going to manage our trade and so forth, right? But yeah, for now, that's basically it that I have. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll see keep you guys posted. If this setup plays out and we miss it, it's fine, guys. It's fine. There's always opportunities. There's everything. I just want to show you guys what I'm looking for. If I don't send a signal and you guys see a setup like this, exactly what I done, don't be afraid to take this. Don't be afraid to take the signal, take the buy, take the trade, right? No risk, no reward. You need to understand this. I want you guys to become independent and profitable traders, right? You shouldn't be relying on someone else in order to make yourself profitable. I'm just a normal guy. I'm not Jesus. I'm not someone special. I'm just trying to do my job, trying to put food on the table for myself and my family. And that's basically it, guys. So nonetheless, guys, it was lovely making this video for you guys. Shakil King signing out.